Hi, today we have another interesting challenge. Your online store likes to give out coupons for special occasions. Some customers try to cheat the system by entering invalid codes or using expired coupons. Our task is to write a function called checkCoupon, which verifies that a coupon code is valid and not expired. How to go about this? As you can see, we have to check out if the entered code is similar to the correct code, but very important as well is to check out if the current date is before the expiration date. And for that, I want to use the datetime module. So from datetime, we have to import datetime. And let's create a new variable here, current date. And let's call it formatted because I want to parse a string. So we can actually compare the current date with the expiration date in a condition. So datetime, and then we have to use the strp time module. And we pass in the argument that we want to format, current date in this case. And then we can pass in the string. So first of all, I want to take care of the month, which is indicated by percentage capital B. Then the day. Then we have a comma, as you can see here. So we can put it in. And then the year, which is indicated by percentage capital Y. Well, let's print it out. Yeah, that's the format that we need. Let's do the same for the expiration date. And as you can see here, the 5th of September is before the 1st of October. So what happens when we check it out? The current date is less than the expiration date. Is it true or false? It should be true. Yeah, it is. So this works out. And we have to check out again if the entered code and the correct code are similar. So if the entered code is equal with double equal sign to the correct code, or just reverse it. If it's not equal, we can return false. If the current date is after the expiration date, we can also return false. False. And in all the other cases, we can return true. Well, let's check this out. Here we have one case that fails. What else can we check? Maybe the length of the string. If the length of the entered code is not equal to the correct code, then we should also return false. Test. That's also not working. Maybe the type. It should be what is it? A string type. If the type is not a string, we should return false. There we go. Attempt. And that looks terrific. Hope this video has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.